Hi all, welcome to Java Talent. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover basic concept for prime numbers. So first I will cover the program to find the given number is prime or not, and then I will cover the program to print the numbers, prime numbers from 1 to 100, and then this will be a 1 to n. Here I will take the input from the user, and based on the input from 1 to 10 or 1 to whatever the value given by the user, I will print the value for the prime number. So this is the basic questions asked in the interview. So be careful and let me go through the details. What is the prime number actually? So the first you need to understand the prime number is number that is greater than 1 and divided by 1 of itself. Means in the other words we can simply say that prime numbers can't be divided by other numbers than itself or 1. So the minimum prime number value is 2 because 0 or 1 is not the prime number. So the prime number will start from 2. So for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, the number which is divisible by only 1 and itself. These all are called as the prime numbers. So let me check by running the one program. First concept, how to find the prime number. Given the there is a multiple number given, and then we can check whether the given number is prime or not. So let me create one simple project here, Java prime numbers. Okay, so let me create one package and then create one class prime numbers. Okay, so be aware like 0 and 1 are not the prime numbers. The only the minimum value of the prime number is even value is 2 only, because if you go for the even prime number, so there is the only 2 which is the even prime number, because there is the other value which is the even number that should be divisible by 2, then that is not coming under the prime numbers. So let me create one main method. Here I'm going to take one temp variable and I'm going to take the value as constant. Here I'm just going to take any value. So number is 17. I'm going to take here boolean is prime to test whether the number is prime or not. First I will make it as true and then I will go for the loop, and here what I will do is int I is equal to 2 because the minimum number is 2 only, and then I less than is equal to number divided by 2 so that it will get the remainder, and then I plus plus. So I'm going to assign that number mode of 2 mode of I to this temp variable. Okay, and then if that value, the temp value is 0, means we are just going to take this remainder. If the remainder is 0, and then the value will be checking for the prime or not. So I will make the each prime value will be become a false in this condition if temp is 0. So let me check if temp equal 0, then in this case each prime value will be false, and I will go back from the loop. So break, and after loop I will check whether the given value is like its prime is true or false. If it is true, then simply print number, the number which is given, number is prime, else number is not prime. Number is not prime, hence the given number is not a prime number. basically. Okay, so let me run this program. So I have given the 17. So basically 17 is prime number because it has been divisible by only one and itself. So let me give one space. Okay, so 17 number is prime number. So let me test it with 6. So this is the not a prime number because it has been divisible by 1, 2 and 3 and 6. So this is not the prime number. So you can check like so on. You can test by given the value. So 61 is prime. Okay. So let's come like you can check the value from the console from the user as well by using the scanner. And then let me go with the second point to print the value of the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So let me create one more package. So not one more class, prime numbers number till 100. The basic simple question is there will be asked write a program to print the prime numbers from 1 to 100, 1 to n. Okay, so this will be a very basic concept. So let me take it as I is equal to 0 and num is equal to 0. So here I am going to take the empty string prime numbers is equal to empty string. For now, I will let you know what is the use of this. Okay. So let me create the one loop, simple loop. For int I is equal to, oh, I have already given the value of the I, initialize the value. So there I do not need to initialize, I just need to send one value. So I is equal to 1 because I need to print from 1 to 100. I less than is equal to 100. I plus plus. Okay. So this loop will go from 1 to 100. And then I'm going to take one counter value to check whether the value will be true. Means I will count whether the counter is true, then it will be print the number to the string. To I will add that number to this string and print on the console. Simple. So I have taken the counter value as 0, and then again I am taking one more loop here from num is equal to I to number is greater than is equal to 1, and then number minus minus. And then I will check whether the I mod number is equal to 0. Means I'm just going to check for this remainder value. So if it is 0, then I will increase the counter. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. Okay. So this is the condition. And then from after this loop, I will check whether the counter is true or not. So if here I will check if counter is equal to 2, then I will append that character. Append the prime number to this string. Whatever the string I have taken, I will append that one. Prime numbers is equal to prime numbers plus value of I. Simply. And I will give one space here for the beautified output. And then coming outside this loop, I will print the value. This is out. Prime numbers from 1 to 100 are the value of prime numbers. This out prime numbers. Fine. So let me check whether the program is giving out prime numbers from 1 to 100 or not. So see, prime numbers from 1 to 100 is 2 because the minimum number of the prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 23 till 100. This is the prime numbers, which is the basically our requirement. Now, in the next step here, the third one is I'm going to print the value of the prime numbers from 1 to n. Means I will take the input from the user and then I will print that value. So simply let me copy same code here because there is a constant value. It will be printing from 1 to 100 and then the other requirement is from 1 to n. So simply I will modify this class. So let me copy and paste same here and I will change the name. Prime numbers 1 to n. Prime numbers from 1 to n. Okay. So let me modify that here. Okay. So let me close both the classes. So in this case, the basically requirement is now I wanted to take this input value from the user. So for that I need to create one variable which is going to be take the value from the outside. Okay. So before here, uh, before defining the IE and all, you can take the value. Let me create the object for the scanner class so that I can take the value. Scanner is equal to or scanner sc is equal to better. Anyway, we can take it. New scanner of system.in. So I have created the scanner class object and I will going to use this to take the value from the user. So let me take the value. Simply first I will print the message. Enter the value of n, this input value, because I'm going to print the prime numbers from 1 to n, so that I'm taking the value from user to the n value. So int n is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, and then sc dot close, and then I will going to take this loop, and then in this case our loop will become from I is equal to 1 to n. This time I'm just going to print the value from n 1 to n. So this will be your value. Okay, and I plus plus and other code will be same. Okay, there is no changes. And here in the printout statement, I will change the statement prime numbers from 1 to, let me change the message here, 1 to, I am take the value from the user, which value I am going to print. N R. Okay, so that it will be 55. And then see, other code is same, and in this time our console will ask the value from user. Let me see. Enter the value of n. Let me hit 1000. Once I will hit the input value of n, see, it is printing the prime numbers from 1 to 1000 R. Okay, so R. Let me give this space and let me run on once again. 1000. Okay, so prime numbers from 1 to 1000 are this value. This is the total prime numbers. So you can take any value and you can use your program. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.